Most guys with beards don't know how to keep their beard looking nice and groomed between barber visits, so I'm gonna show you how to do that today. You don't need all these tools, you just need a couple, but I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I've been on the search for a budget-friendly set for all of you guys, and I recently found the ACE line from StyleCraft. So let's start with their clipper. First thing you have to do is decide how long you want your beard to be. I'm gonna keep it a little bit longer just because I'm growing it out, but I just wanna keep some shape to it. So I'm gonna go with a longer setting. I'm gonna throw a 6mm guard on this thing and open it wide open. You're gonna see on every clipper that it has an open setting and a closed setting. That's what this little knob on the side does. I'm gonna open it all the way up and I'm going to throw my 6mm guard on it, and I'm just gonna go down over everything just to take off some of that bulk. Everything nice and brushed down, and now let's get everything to one length. The reason I'm shaving down is because this is going against the grain. It's not taking off a ton of hair, it's just taking off all those flyaways and a little bit of the bulk. If I would have put this upward and I would have shaved against the grain, I'd be taking off way too much hair, and once the hair is gone, it's gone. You can't put it back on, you just have to wait for it to regrow. So start with finding how long you want your beard to be. Always start longer and work your way down. And what you're gonna see is I'm going to be going straight down with this. I'm not arcing underneath yet. What I'm trying to do is just do a nice C-cut out. This is gonna keep everything square instead of rounding underneath your jaw, making you look a little bit more round. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go underneath and I'm gonna punch a straight line across. I wanna keep it a little bit longer underneath my chin. When you keep it a little longer underneath your chin and underneath your jaw, it basically makes everything a lot longer. When you make it longer, it enhances that jawline, giving you a more prominent chin, which is gonna give you that more masculine look. Now you have a couple options here. You can fade your beard down. I'm just gonna keep it nice and long, all one shape on the sides for right now, just because I'm liking the way that it's growing out. But if you wanted to fade it, all you would do is drop the guard a little bit more and you would work your way up. That'll be coming in the next video. Now what we're gonna do is get our lines nice and crisp. I'm gonna go in with my trimmer. This is the ACE trimmer from StyleCraft, and we're gonna get everything nice and lined up. So you've got three different lines. You've got your ear line that goes straight down to the back of your jaw. You've got underneath your jawline, which is this line down here, and then you have your cheek lines. We're gonna start on the ear line, make these nice and straight down. You don't wanna arc to it. You just wanna go straight down from the top of your ear, straight down to make a nice symmetrical straight line. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. So now what we're gonna do is get our underneath line straight across. What we're gonna do is make an L with your hand, straight to the side of the ear, thumb right there. Anything below your thumb, you're gonna clip off. Anything above, you're gonna leave it alone. You can also do the 2-finger test. You're gonna take your 2 fingers, put it above your Adam's apple. Wherever that line is, punch it straight across. Now what I like to do is turn my trimmer upside down and I go back into it, working that line back up. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna work on our cheek lines. The way you find your cheek line is you draw an imaginary line from the top of your ear down to the side of your lip. Anything above that imaginary line, we're just gonna clip it right off. If you want more of an arced line, all you're going to do is do the same thing, but you're gonna pull your cheek up a little bit. You're gonna see how the hair moves up when I pull my cheek up. When you let it go, after you draw that straight line, it's gonna have a nice gradual arc. You can decide on your face shape how you want this. I really personally like a straight line, so I'm just gonna go to the top of my ear, straight down, and that's my line. Nice straight line, same thing to the other side. Now let's take care of the mustache really quick. With your mustache, you get to decide how you want this thing. I like to leave mine over my lip a little bit, but not too crazy. It's getting a little bit off the rails a little bit, so all I'm gonna do is cut it down just a tad. Now, if you want your mustache to be completely off your lip, all you're going to do is brush everything down, and you're gonna make a line over the top of your lip and just basically punch, punch. That's gonna be it. For me, I'm gonna arc it more than anything, just so it keeps a little bit of it over the top of my lip to give it more of that rugged style that I'm going for. Perfect, now we're gonna clean up the cheeks and underneath on the neck just to get it a little bit more crispy. What you're gonna do is go with a foil shaver. I love using foil shavers, and I say it all the time just because I always tend to get a little bit of like an ingrown hair or skin irritation when I use a traditional razor. Foil shavers have completely eliminated that for me, and they're just a godsend. What I really like about this little one from Ace though, that's kind of fun, is it has a little trimmer on the back of it. So if you're in a pinch or you're just taking this on the road with you and you need to line everything up, you have this little extra trimmer on the back of it just to get those lines nice and crispy. So if you're on the road and you just need a quick little tool, this is definitely a hack for you. But all you're gonna do with a foil shaver is you go in and you nice and gently rub it across the top of your skin. A lot of guys make the mistake of pushing these things in. Don't do that, that's where a lot of the irritation is gonna come from. You're just gonna glide it over the top. If you're a guy who just wants a good set of trimmers at his house, this is definitely the set for you. If you're a professional barber, you're probably gonna wanna upgrade a little bit from these, but the everyday guy would love this set. So if you want any of these products for yourself, I'll link them below for you to check out. But that's the final look, and that's how you keep a good looking beard between barber visits. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and until I see you again, stay confident. So if you want any of these products for yourself, comment ACE and I'll send you the link.